So yeah, it only shows what's on the screen though. Because it's screen recording.
I made this really nice Toy Story.
A Toy Story.
Pasta.
Pasta? Food? Food! You made food!
I went to Tesco. I got salt and butter it.
Look at this. I'm playing Train Taxi.
You want to put salt and butter in everything.
I'm playing Train Taxi.
I'm playing Make Gacha or else you will lose your subscribers.
No! You said that while I was recording too.
Did I?
Yes!
Sorry.
You're so mean. I know how to play, stupid game. My train's a panda.
Tell everyone I'm making a YouTube video.
What?
Tell everyone I'm making a YouTube video.
My friend Izzy's making a YouTube video. They can hear you.
Oh yeah. I forgot that.
He's dumb.
Wait, why is it so dark outside?
Huh?
It shouldn't be this dark.
No. It's not dark for me.
It is dark for me. It's dark for you just like 10 minutes ago.
Probably because your curtains aren't open. My curtains are too small for my room.
Not really dark, but it's only 4 o'clock.
Ooh, a beach.
Wait, what?
Yeah, there's a beach where everyone was in my game.
It's a weird video you've ever posted because I'm amazing and I love it. It's very weird.
Yeah, my friend Izzy loves weird things.
Yeah.
Just because I'm weird as well.
On my bed.
I did it! Ugh. Stupid dress. Whoa. Oh, oops.
V L is for you. Look at me.
Bok!
Wait, what?
That's what the word spelled, bok. What's the X? No, normally when I'm recording with this, I don't make them sit through the ads that I watch, but now I'm doing it. Because I'm being mean now. I know I shouldn't do that, because I'm probably going to lose subscribers.
We call them subscribers, by the way.
Yeah, that's the name of all subscribers.
You almost said subscribers. How dare you?
You said it! How dare you?
No, I'm allowed to because I was pointing at a mistake.
Subscribers. Subscribe to my channel and
Yeah.
subscribe to Izzy_space Gotcha. And also subscribe to me.
Please don't watch it.
What?
I'm just telling you, don't watch my first video.
Yeah, don't watch her first video. She doesn't really like it. It's not too good. You know you can delete videos on there, right?
Yeah, I do.